Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to find deals on Groupon and save big, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to uncover the best discounts on Groupon. Let's get started. Step 1. Create an account. First things first. If you don't already have one, create a Groupon account. Signing up is free and gives you access to exclusive deals. You can also set your preferences based on your location to find deals relevant to you. Step 2. Navigate the homepage. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Here, you'll find various categories such as things to do, food and drink, health and beauty, and more. Explore these categories to locate deals that pique your interest. Step 3. Use the search bar. If you have a specific deal in mind, the search bar located at the top of the page is your best friend. Simply type in what you're looking for, whether it's a restaurant, service, or activity, and hit enter. This will filter the results to show you exactly what you're interested in. Step 4. Filter your search. After executing your search, utilize the filtering options on the left side of the results page. You can sort deals by price, distance, or even ratings. Filtering helps you narrow down choices and find the most appealing deals. Chakru. Step 5. Check the validity. Before purchasing a deal, always check its validity period. Groupon deals often have expiration dates, so ensure you can use them within the designated time frame. Additionally, review any restrictions or conditions associated with the deal. Step 6. Read reviews and ratings. When you find a deal, look for customer reviews and ratings. This can provide insights into the quality of the experience or service, helping you make a well-informed decision before buying. Step 7. Compare prices. Sometimes, it's wise to compare Groupon prices with other local businesses or similar deals. This ensures that you're truly getting a bargain and not just a standard price presented as a deal. Step 8. Sign up for alerts. To stay updated on the latest deals, consider signing up for Groupon's email alerts. You can receive notifications for specific categories or types of deals that matter to you. This way, you won't miss out on limited time offers. Step 9. Use the Groupon app. Download the Groupon app on your smartphone for easy access to deals on the go. The app often features app-exclusive offers, which can add to your savings. Step 10. Share and save. Lastly, don't forget to share deals with friends or family. Groupon often has referral programs that reward you with credits or discounts when someone makes a purchase using your link. Remember, savvy shopping takes a little time and research, but the savings you'll achieve make it well worth the effort. Explore Groupon, utilize the tips we've shared, and start saving big today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more savings, tips, and tricks.